guys, I recently had plastic surgery on my face, which is why you won't be seeing my current state of face in this video. But I really wanted to get this video out for you guys. I went on a huge apartment hunt. So my budget was basically, I wanted to spend around $2,000 to $3,000 for the key money or down payment, and then maximum $900 for the actual rent. So there are places that have a lower deposit, which a lot of people don't actually realize that's a thing. My number one thing when looking at these apartments was the fact that I wanted a place that had natural lighting, meaning it needed a big window. And not just a big window, but it needed a view. Like, I didn't want it to have a big window, but for it to be facing another building, which is the situation I was in my last apartment. And that was something that was a non-negotiable. Like, I would gladly downsize an apartment if it meant I had a big window with a view where I could look at stuff, where the sun could shine in. That was kind of tricky. And the thing is, for the estate agents here, a lot of the times when they look up on their database, a lot of the times the apartment doesn't have pictures. So they sometimes don't even know if the apartment is completely right for you. They have the specifics, like how big it is and the location, but it's best to just go and see for yourself. Even sometimes in the pictures, for the places that did have pictures, you'd see, okay, there's a window, but I can't see outside. So you get there and you're like, wait, hold on a minute. This has a huge window, but it's literally facing another building. What is the point? So the best thing I can suggest to you guys is just go and see the place. This apartment I genuinely really liked. Like, that whole thing, that whole side is one big window. However, it faced another building, which is so heartbreaking. Like, it was the perfect size, it was the great location, but I almost ended up taking it, but luckily I didn't, because I would be compromising on the one non-negotiable that I said that I wouldn't take. Then the last apartment that they showed me was a little bit out of my price range, but again, I'm not too sad about this one either, because even though it has so many windows, what is the point? Like, it's facing other buildings once again, and it was still kind of dark. The size was perfect, the location was perfect, the bathroom was beautiful, but again, come into this with non-negotiables. So when you walk in, the kitchen, this is the kitchen. I don't I really don't know how these influencers do this, these house tours that are just 18 minutes long, but they live in a studio. But yep, this is where I sometimes prepare my meals. Something that I wish I had was have more space here. There's not a lot of space to have a cutting board here. So you do have to kind of make do with the space that you have, but I feel like for one person who doesn't actually cook that often, this is a nice area to have as a kitchen. And the storage is pretty nice too. You can see this, I wish this was a little bit more organized, but I'm moving literally tomorrow, so I didn't see any point in trying to make it organize it a little bit better. We turn around and I'm not gonna show my face because I just woke up from a nap and I don't look cute, but this is the bathroom. Pretty standard Korean bathroom, I would say, and it's one of these, it's basically I think it's called a wet room bathroom, but so the bathroom is a shower as well, and then it goes into the drain and stuff. Whenever I take a shower, it takes maybe an hour or something for the ground to dry, and again, you know, you have your little storage in here, all my skincare. Wow, I really need to be more organized. But yeah, so you come out This is the living room area, and this is also the area that you'll probably recognize from my filming. So this is my couch, and I have a little table there. So when you turn around, you will see this, and there's like empty space, right? So I'll explain in a second why there's like just empty space here. I really like the fact that I have like this filming space as well as like relaxation, and I can sit down, I can chill, but also film, where I put on my clothes. So this is like the section basically where I get dressed. You'll notice here there's like an empty space basically, and that's because of this guy. So this has wheels, so sometimes if I want to watch movies from bed, what I do is move it over there, and now my living room is a living room. So this is pretty much the star of the show. This bed I'm in love with. Unfortunately, it does come with the apartment, so I can't take this with me, but I love the like as you can see, it's like quite tall. Again, this looks kind of messy just because I'm moving, and I'm trying to put everything in like different places, so I have like a way to move everything properly without it getting lost. But this is where I have all my cosmetics, and I just sit on the edge of my bed and then get ready, and just, it's pretty nice, and it's a nice substitute, especially if you don't have room for vanity or anything like that. So that's what I use it for, and I got it from Daiso for like really cheap, so super cool. I like this edition. You can see the window. The window unfortunately doesn't show, you can see the boiler, so that's blocking part of the light. So I got told that these like sticky things where I had my pictures up wouldn't leave a mark, but
he has such strong values and morals, and he has high standards, and he stands by them, you know, and that is something that I really admire about him, and I'm comfortable. You know why? It's because you ain't white.
Okay, apartment tour. So this is what we have right now. I just realized I have to like grab my internet, but it's like over here, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Oh, there's two. I'm stuck.